right, we've got a ZLINE fridge and we're looking to keep our fresh water coming out. So we found a replacement water filter and we're going to show you quickly how to replace this. First, take it out of the packaging. Make sure your dog sniffs it, make sure there's nothing bad in there. So I'm going to take this extra layer of plastic on here. This is just to help keep the nozzle clean, where it's going to make the connection to the fridge. Pull off the cap. All right, so now you need to take the old one out. In our case, it's in the upper right-hand corner. That twists and pulls out. So we twisted that counterclockwise. And then when the new one goes in, and when you pull it out, you don't have to worry about water coming out because it's a, when you push it in there, it basically activates the water. So while it's just sitting there, there's no issue. So when you put it back in, you make sure the grooves line up and then twist it clockwise, since when it came out, it was counterclockwise. All right, and you can kind of hear the water moving back into it. Close it. I would recommend using the water a little bit just to get any particulates out of the line from the new filter. And there you go. That's how to change your water filter on a ZLINE refrigerator.